All right, let's dive right in. We're starting on a beautiful wooden board with a big flat rectangle of ground meat. And what's this? The secret ingredient seems to be ice. A hand is pressing perfect spheres of ice right into the center. The spoken word says to involve the carne with the eye, and that's exactly what's happening. The meat is being folded over, encasing those 4 ice balls completely. Both hands get in there, pressing and shaping the meat, rolling it into a tight, perfect log. Just look at that form. Okay, quick change up. The meat log is set aside, and out comes a stainless steel box grater. And wait, are those new nails? We've gone from natural to a vibrant magenta. Love it! A light yellow block, maybe a potato or some firm cheese, is being grated into a fluffy pile. The action is fast and steady, building up a mountain of shreds. Now a new ingredient joins the party. A pink solid block, maybe some ham, is getting the same treatment. The grater is working overtime. And now it's time to mix. The shredded yellow and pink ingredients are tossed into a large glass bowl. In goes a big scoop of a white creamy substance, maybe mayo or cream cheese, followed by a generous sprinkle of green dried herbs. A silver spoon gets to work, and both hands, one stabilizing the bowl, start mixing everything together. It's stirred and folded until it becomes a single, cohesive, and absolutely delicious-looking filling. The meat log is back. It's sliced into thick, uniform rounds, which are then expertly shaped into rings. These beautiful meat rings are arranged on a parchment-lined baking tray. A little seasoning now, a sprinkle of salt, followed by a few twists of a black pepper grinder. And here comes the magic moment we've been waiting for. That incredible creamy filling is spooned generously into the center of each meat ring, filling them to the brim. The assembly isn't done yet. A final flourish of light shredded cheese is sprinkled over the top of each one, covering that creamy center. After a quick cut, the transformation is complete. On a clean white plate sits one of the rings, now cooked to a perfect golden brown. The cheese is melted and bubbly. A knife and fork move in, cutting into the patty, and there it is. That creamy, savory filling oozes out just a bit. What an incredible journey from simple ground meat and ice to a stunning, mouth-watering final dish!